Hello everyone, I am Himavanth from batch A23 and my teammates are Ajay and Arfath. Our mentor Swati ma'am has been guiding us through this project. This video demonstrates the execution and workings of our project titled Detection of Cyberbullying using Machine Learning. Firstly, let's navigate to the project directory. Open the first directory. This folder contains all the necessary folders and files for our project's execution. In the database folder, here we have the SQL file, which is the main data storage for our project. Coming to the tweet dataset, this is the dataset we use to train and build our project model. Next, let's open the detection of cyberbullying directory. The key directories in the project are: firstly, the remote user folder. This folder contains all the files that a remote user needs to use in our project. Then second comes the service provider folder. This folder holds all the files related to the admin. Then comes the final folder, which is the template folder. In this folder, it contains the front-end logic built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now coming to the project execution. To execute the project, we need to open the command prompt in the directory where the manage.py file is present. Let's do that. Now open XAMPP, which we will use to run the Apache server and MySQL database. Start the Apache server and MySQL server. Click on the admin button beside MySQL to import the SQL file we saw earlier. In the navigation bar, click on the import. Choose the SQL source file and click go. Then we run the server. Now return to the command prompt and run the command. Copy the code, which is the Python manage.py run server. The system will perform some checks. Once completed with the checks, and if there are no errors, a link will be provided. Use the control key and then click on this link to open it on your browser. Now coming to the front-end overview of the project. This is the front-end of our project. There is an authentication page before accessing the main project, where user login registration is present. Users can log in or register if they are new. Homepage. After logging in, the user can check if the message is offensive or if there is any cyberbullying present in the message, and also can view profile details and then log out. Then comes testing offensive predictions. Let's test the offensive predictions by inputting two different messages. Type the message and click predict to see the result. We can see the prediction results here. Now let's log out and see the service provider page. As soon as we log in the service provider page, we can see the details of remote users. As an admin, you can view remote user information, view and manage train and train datasets. View the accuracy of trained and tested models using bar charts or results from three algorithms, which are SVM, logistic regression and naive bayes. View cyberbullying prediction details, including message history and results. And you can also download datasets. That's it for the execution. Now let's log out and stop the server database. Open CMD and press Ctrl+C to stop the execution. Open XAMPP and hit stop to stop the servers. Thank you everyone for watching. I would like to extend my gratitude to our HOD Subhash sir, our project guide Swati ma'am and our department for this opportunity. Thank you.